So this will just be a video demo of the ParkinHelp app. Just logging in with a new patient account for a new account creation. Filling out some information for the first time login survey. So this will only appear once. And then once you fill it out, you don't have to fill it out again.
Yeah, that's what it like. I think I just use these two, like
Just a random phone number.
one single role.
Selecting some focus areas, which will determine the types of exercises you get recommended. This is the tremor measurement feature. So depending on how bad your tremors are, you'll get a score. And then that'll save to the tremor graph. So this will populate as time goes on, as more days go on, as you take your tremor tests. So you can see how bad it is. And then here's the customized exercise schedule with customized exercises, sets, and repetitions, so that totally changes based on your survey. And then we have details and tutorials for all the different sorts of exercises. These will just open pages. And moving on to the medication scheduler for each patient. The patient and the doctor can edit these once a patient is linked his or her account with a doctor, and the doctor can also edit this list. So I'm just creating a test or an example entry right here. And then now that's been added. Then I'm just going to delete the same event. So that same one at 3:30 on Tuesday is now been deleted. And then there's also the update. So this will normally just run once a week. I just have a direct link for it here to view it. But if you had your account for a week, that survey would appear, and then that would actually update your exercises. And if you wanted to, it would increase the intensity. And then I just also have the FaceTime. So when you're hooked up with a doctor, I can't show that here, but you can click the FaceTime, and then that would just redirect to the iPhone FaceTime app. And then just going through your profile page, which pulls all your user data, you put it in the survey, and then just a small about us. And now I'll sign out and sign back in and create a new doctor account. So that was for the patient. Now I'm going to do the healthcare professional account. So I'll register this account as a healthcare professional. Different survey appears a smaller one because the healthcare professional doesn't get recommended any exercises. This one just needs some names and then a phone number for the FaceTime. So right off the bat, your patient list, your account just gives you your basic information. You're able to, just going to add the account I just created as a patient. So this is all done through Firebase. Then we have the patient list up here. This will populate with as many patients as you had. You can view their medication scheduler. I added some events for the Studio account to view. Then this is just me adding an event as the doctor for the patient account. And then now that appears there, and that appears for the patient as well on his account. And that's about it. Now you have a number of when patients want, and you could just add from there. And that is ParkinHelp.